Okay, so last story. I don't want to reveal it, but
You don't want to reveal it. You're going to have to at some point here.
yeah, eventually. Best city in the world. What do you think it is?
On what metric? What are we judging it on?
Just best city.
Just best city, period?
Yeah,
to live
in the world.
To live or to visit?
No, the best city.
Oh, okay. You're going to
Like safe. Okay, let's just say safest city.
Safest is way different than best.
Okay.
What I need to know
What?
this language really matters here before I guess.
Safest city in the world.
Geneva.
Geneva. Okay. What's the second?
I would feel bad to pick two cities in Switzerland. Copenhagen.
You're close. It's actually Toronto.
Oh.
But Copenhagen is first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, then why? Oh, Toronto's the second.
Yes.
And I got Copenhagen.
Yes.
I'm pretty happy with that.
But you didn't get Toronto though.
No, I didn't. I know Toronto's really
Which is
safe,
very-
but it's funny that I felt the way you phrased the question made it seem like it was going to be a hard thing to guess, which took me out of but I should have known because you're probably likely to be reading the local news.
Sure, yeah.
Anyway, the new list for 2021, courtesy of The Economist, takes into account a slew of factors from digital infrastructure and personal security to environmental security and COVID-19 health security. Toronto managed to notably improve since it was last evaluated in 2019. It came in sixth. I'm sure any of these cities in the top 10 are exceedingly safe.
Mm-hmm.
A total of 60 cities were assessed based. This is why Drake was laughing. He's like, my city's so safe.
Yeah, he's so happy.
He's like, you can't. There's nothing going to happen over here. 60 cities were assessed based on 76 different indicators this year, and Toronto ended up with a score of 82.2 out of a potential 100, compared to Copenhagen's 82.4. After performing best in the new bracket, which is measured by looking at a city's plan for sustainability, move forward waste management systems, and more. Very cool. Do we have a full list? Can I see the full list?
I don't think so.
Oh, wait. There we go. Yeah. Copenhagen,
Not
Toronto,
the full list, but
Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, Amsterdam, Wellington, Hong Kong, Melbourne, Stockholm. I didn't get my city in Switzerland on there.
it's a huge list. It's probably on the list.
Well, I'm sure it's on the list, but I wanted it. I obviously thought it would be. I've known people from Switzerland, and I traveled through there a little bit, and I was like, damn, man, this place, this is quiet and peaceful, and I mean the Copenhagen one is relatively well known too, with the bikes and everything. Everybody's on the street
With more bikes, it's friendlier.
I don't know. It's just a lot of bikes. And Toronto, people don't realize. It's for those that haven't visited, it's kind of wild. You're out at night, and
I'm very surprised.
oh, are you?
I for some reason I'm just very surprised.
So, do you feel unsafe in this city?
In a way, yeah. There's some pretty unfortunate areas.
There's always going to be areas, but we got him, and it was nothing. He responded to nothing. I did nothing there. Don't
Was
blame
it a dream?
Don't blame me for that. No. I've obviously any place you go, there's going to be areas that are riskier than others. But generally speaking, in this city, you're feeling pretty safe, man.
It's not too bad.
Well, it's number 2 on the list, man.
It's not too
Are you
bad.
questioning their method here? They got Toronto number 2, man.
I thought Tokyo, Japan would be really safe.
It is.
With the bikes, not
Dude.
blocking them or anything.
I'm sure when you look at the index on this, it's going to be all very close in these. Look at those cities, man.
Yeah.
And it's going to be very close across the board there, and some of them are going to get extra points for one thing, and others are going to get extra points for another. But you could visit any of these places, man.
Yeah.
Guy like you, Willie Doo, they take you right in any of those places.
Yeah.
Drake will even have you over at his house,
I can't wait.
and he'll even laugh if you try to dox him. So what does that tell you?